Welcome to my YouTube channel or welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's good mga bossing? It's your boy Boss Sirk back again. So ayun mga bossing, for today's video manonood na naman tayo ng mga funny videos. So ano pang naantay natin? Umpisa na natin to. Let's go!
Any drugs, explosives, or weapons?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes!
Any weapons, drugs, or explosives? Hello?
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh boy.
Sir, we have a problem.
Yes.
You don't understand me, do you?
Yes.
Well, that's actually funny at the same time nakakalungkot, no? Dahil may mga taong ganun talaga. Hindi sila marunong makaintindi or hindi nila alam kung paano explain yung sarili nila. Especially yung mga hindi marunong mag-English. So, hindi lahat ng tao marunong sa ganun, no? Almost kill his papa. Here comes the train! Sanggala! Ang sakit nun to, naramdaman ko. Sangalangala ko yun. What?
Wait, what are you doing up there? You're supposed to be in bed. How did you get up there?
I know! Nandun siya sa taas! Oh! Inabot pa niya yung alak ng tatay niya. Ang kulit mo, par. High five. Apir! Tapos yung kabila niya, apir! Ew. Kaya masama sa...
What happened?
What you mean, what
What
happened?
happened?
What happened?
You fucking far, man.
I don't fart.
What?
Huh?
You're crazy! Ooh! Oh my gosh!
What the fuck, bro?
I know, bro!
Huh?
What the fuck?
What happened?
You know what happened? Don't do that shit around me. What the fuck is wrong with you? Hell no.
Hell no! Hell no! Kahit sa akin mo gagawin yun, tol, kokonyatang kita, pare. The moment when you need you and you need... What? Ganyan kayo mga babae, no? Akala nyo sa amin palaging ganun ang gusto namin. Hindi!
Give me that beat, beat.
Give me
That
that.
two, running our hands through my fro, bouncing on 24. Why they stand on? It's the remix to Mission Hot and Fresh.
Oo. Gusto ko lang naman kumanta eh.
Daddy finger, where are you?
Ay, Diyos kong bata ka talaga.
Kalding dato yan, maalan
Pasok
sigurado
ready na
dato
agad
si
yung
Daka
pero
Kalding.
mama. Putak, sipat yung aso eh.
What the fuck?
Oh my god. Ed Sheeran is in my car.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm just gonna contour this line, one nice and sharp line here, and
No, you do not put your hand on my mouth.
Shut up.
Cancer. The injection trains the body's immune system.
Uh-oh.
Cancer cells. And what is that?
Oh God.
Oh. Oh my god!
He had no idea.
She's on time.
Matik na mabuhos, bes.
Why is that?
Ooh. Oh no. Hello? Oh, yung bata. Oh boy, why? Uy. Baliw po. You're dead meat. Don't do that.
Oh, look, a Hershey's cookie bar.
Stop, Justin.
But I'm hungry.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh no!
Get the fuck out of here, little nigga. Whoa, what are you talking about? Yo, what do you mean? That doesn't even make sense. Yo, do you know what he's talking about?
Now I know my ABC.
Fuck ABC.
Fuck ABC. Yeah. Ano, sobrang dumi naman.
Let the dogs out.
Galing.
Where's Coco?
Yo, excuse me.
What's up, man?
What are you listening to?
All by Garrison.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
Bye guys. Oh boy. Magre-reklamo talaga yung mga yan. Iya ka na. Gumaya yung aso. Baliw talaga. Yung tipong may tropa, mga siraulo, do. So, yun na nga po mga bossing. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video. At kung nag-enjoy kayo, i-like nyo po ang ating video. At huwag nyo rin kalimutan mag-subscribe. I-hit nyo na rin po yung notification bell. So, ayun mga bossing, i-comment nyo lang din po kung anong gusto nyo i-react natin sa susunod or next time. So, ayun mga bossing, maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam! Sirk TV out. Peace!